Hi, this is Jonathan from Barn2. In this video, I'm going to show you our new WooCommerce Product Filters plugin. We created this plugin because up to now, there weren't really any professional plugins for adding filters to your WooCommerce store in a quick and easy-to-understand way. In designing the Filters plugin, we took a careful look at how the world's top e-commerce sites use filters to create a much more enhanced experience for their customers. And we brought those features into our plugin, which has never been done for WordPress before. The plugin lets you add ultra-flexible filters to your WooCommerce store, allowing you to create filters by any type of product data, categories, price, tags, etc., and display those filters in a wide choice of styles, dropdowns, radio buttons, image, color swatches, and more. The plugin is easy for beginners to use, whilst also being developer-friendly. So let's take a look at how to set up the plugin. Once installed, go to your WordPress dashboard and come down to WooCommerce Products here and select Filters. Then over here on the right, click on Setup Wizard. This is where you can enter your license key to activate the plugin. And on the next page, I can choose which filter group I want to appear at the top of my store. I'm going to choose this one called Horizontal, and we'll look at how I created this group later in the video. But remember, it's also easy to display filters in a sidebar widget or anywhere you choose by using a simple shortcode. And I'll show you how to do that later in the video. Then we have options for the filter visibility and filter behavior. And once finished, I'm going to click on Manage Filters, and here you can see the filter groups I already have set up, including my horizontal one, which I chose to be the one that goes above my WooCommerce store. Here you can see the 3 individual filters I have set up within this group. So I've got Sort, In Stock, and On Sale. And you can see those filters active on my demo site here. And it's easy to add more filters to this group here. And then save any changes for them to take effect. Now, if I want to create a new filter group, I can do that here and then add filters to that group. So now we have our filters set up, how do we show them on our store pages? It's easy to show a filter group above the store simply by selecting it in the wizard we looked at earlier, or you can do it in the plugin settings here. You can see my horizontal group is selected in the drop-down menu, and I have other options for controlling how the filters display, how they display on mobiles, the number of filters per row. Plus, there are various filter behaviors and options for filter texts I can customize. And I just need to save any changes for them to take effect. You can also display a filter using a widget. If I go to Appearance here in my WordPress dashboard, and then down to Widgets, you can see I have 2 filter widgets in the sidebar. And within those widgets, I can select a filter group to display more filters to the side of my store. And if I wanted to add another one, I could just grab a new product filter widget here, and then just drag it into the sidebar, and then choose my filter group to display more filters. Really simple, really quick. And the last way to display a filter group is by using a shortcode. So if you're using a page builder like Elementor or the Gutenberg editor, then you can come back to your filter groups here, and this time just copy the shortcode of the filter group you wish to display. So that's been a look at the product filters for WooCommerce plugin from Barn2. The really simple and quick way to add professional filters to your WooCommerce store and make it quicker for your customers to find the products they need. You'll find a link to download the plugin in the description below, as well as details of where to find out more about the plugin. Thanks for watching.